cooperate with the investigation. Well, Dell disappointing investors with its latest earnings and its stock paying the price. The stock down 6% after hours, even though its earnings of 28 cents a share beat the street by a penny. Sales of $15 billion also better than expected. But investors might be focusing on the company's gross margins, which weren't as good as expected. And that means Dell is selling cheaper computers but making less money per sale. So, again, that might be the concern. Let's ask Yu-Dee Chain of Ace Investments what he thinks. I mean, what do you think about Dell's results?
Yeah, I think this result this quarter was a little bit disappointing. I think their sales number were up, actually, basically selling to China, but the parts, the cost of the parts were up also. That's probably cut into its earnings a little bit. But I think overall speaking, basically, Dell, 80% of its business is based off the corporate sales. Corporate sales really just hadn't ramped up yet, so that's what they're waiting for.
You know, you say that tech is where you want to be in a jobless recovery. And do you think we're in a jobless recovery right now?
Yeah, I think so. Jobless is, so-called unemployment is a very tough thing right now. We're about 10%, maybe a little bit less than that. To get back to full employment, we have to create about 7.5 million jobs. That's a lot of jobs to create.
So in the tech sector, first of all, tell us why you think the tech sector, being that what it is, unemployment being what it is, why tech? Why is tech the place to be?
Sure. There's a couple of things. One is that because of unemployment, so-called personnel getting cut, so companies are being more efficient using the technology, thus computers. That's what technology, that's one. And also the fact that tech sector is a little bit less prone to the financials. The so-called credit problem. So tech sector also is a very cash-rich sector as well. So that's a sector to look at.
So we've seen a couple of big names with their numbers out this week. Hewlett-Packard, now Dell. Any companies that you like specifically?
Yeah, I like the networkers too, in addition to the PCs. PCs I still do like the Dell computers we're talking about. I think basically, if you look, it's pretty much trading or consolidating between maybe $12.70 to about maybe $16, $17. I think eventually it's going to head higher. HP, of course, number one personal computer company. That's a good company. Cisco Systems, I actually like the networkers. I like it too.
All right. Thank you very much, Yu-Dee. Appreciate your perspective on that. We'll be back just to you in a moment. In the meantime, Ashley, back over to you.